So the best dash cam under 8000, the FITSPARK DC101 Pro ADAS has a lot going on for it. So this camera has so many features which probably other cameras within the same budget do not even think of. Starting off, this camera gives you a real 2K Quad HD 30 frames per second video from the front camera and a full HD 30 FPS video from the rear camera. The quality of the video is as good as it can get. Sharp details, crisp video and all the evidence which you might need from your dashcam footage. This is the camera which you can rely on under the 8000 price segment. Now this camera has a high-end Novatek AI chipset built inside it. Now do note that the chipset, or sometimes called as the CPU or the processor, is very crucial and an important aspect of the dashcam and plays an even more important role in the overall video quality and the image quality produced from the cameras. And the Novatek AI chipset within the DC101 Pro ADAS enables this camera to get advanced ADAS features along with giving you the best possible video quality in that price range. So what truly sets this camera apart is its ADAS features. So this camera gets the most number of ADAS features, specifically 4 ADAS features. Now most other dash cameras might offer you like 2 or 3. So this one gets 4 of them, including a pedestrian alert, front car collision warning, lane departure warning and a stop and go warning. Now, I previously emphasized on the ADAS features within the DC101, or should I say the MyFitSpark dash cameras, and I have, based on my personal experience, can surely say that they have been extremely accurate and very reliable. Also for the fact that ADAS is now being included in most cars. Previously it used to be available in most high-end cars, but even the mid-range cars ADAS is coming down, showing you the importance of this feature for everyday usage and for everyday drivers. So having these ADAS features built in within the dash camera, make sure you get easy hands-on access to ADAS features which can assist you in day-to-day driving. So the MyFitSpark DC101 Pro ADAS, as told previously, provides you a Quad HD resolution at 30 FPS, gives you close to about 14,000 kbps of bitrate and 108 MB per minute of file size. The rear camera on the other hand shoots a full HD 1080p resolution at 30 FPS, gives you a bitrate of close to 10,000 kbps and a file size of about 73 MB per minute. Now both the cameras are really good at capturing number plates at a distance of maybe 5 to 10 feet, and as you're seeing on the screen right now, the number plate read is sharp and crisp. All letters and numbers are clearly visible, and even in the rear camera the number plate readability is pretty good at a close range. One more factor which really works in the favor of this camera, which probably most other cameras within the similar price range really lack, is a display. The MyFitSpark DC101 Pro ADAS gets a sharp and a crisp 2.7-inch HD IPS display. So based on my personal usage, it has been very useful and a very convenient factor within my car, because I can easily take a look at the rear of the car by streaming the video on the screen, and of course I can even stream both the front and the rear in a picture-in-picture mode. So having a large display within this price range is a definite plus point for this dash cam. This camera also gets an inbuilt night vision tech which basically enhances the night footage, giving you a clearer and a more sharper footage even during low light conditions. So as you're seeing right now, the MyFitSpark DC101 Pro ADAS doesn't really struggle with night footages like most of the cameras. It provides you a balanced and a stable and a natural looking footage irrespective of the lighting conditions, and kind of focuses really well on areas where there is proper illumination. One more cool thing about this camera is that this gets a built-in GPS. Most cameras within this price range may not get it, but this gets a GPS which records your GPS data. This camera also gets a built-in Wi-Fi for easy connection to your smartphone and transferring of videos, along with the fact that this camera gets a G sensor based emergency recording which will record an emergency video in a separate folder. Now many of you prefer to buy dash cameras which get a super capacitor rather than a battery. Well, the good news is the DC101 Pro ADAS gets a super capacitor inside, which theoretically is much better in handling high heat and especially using in hot summers. This camera also gets a built-in parking mode which includes motion detection and various different time-lapse monitoring modes. Now do note that for enabling the parking mode you will need a separate hardware kit. All in all, considering all of these features, I can surely say that the DC101 Pro ADAS is a total value for money prospect, primarily because of its advanced Novatek AI chipset which enables the camera to have 4 different ADAS features and also helps the camera in improving its video quality. So if you are looking to buy a dash camera under 8,000 price bracket and you want the best of what's out there, you can definitely consider the MyFitSpark DC101 Pro ADAS. And if you're interested in purchasing this, go ahead, click down on the description. The purchase link is given right down there. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a ADAS dashcam, a GPS dashcam, a dashcam with a display, and more importantly, a dashcam with the most advanced Novatek AI chipset. See you in the next one.